Let's see how you can easily generate more sales using a simple spin to win chatbot automation. So here the idea is to offer them the discount coupon, but to get the discount coupon they need to play the spin wheel game and get a specific discount amount or percentage, and then they can actually use that discount to buy your product or services. So that's the idea right here. So let's see how this actually works. So here I'm in a demo icon and we have connected all the support channels. So you can even set this for the Instagram comments automation or Facebook comments automation. Otherwise you can actually set this for WhatsApp DM automation and other things as well. So here we are going to use the free template to achieve this one right here. So go to the flow section over here and locate the folder all free templates, and where you can find all the free templates on your account. And here you can look for lucky draw spin wheel game for discount offers template. So this is the free template flow right there. So let me make a duplicate of this one right here. All right, it has been duplicated. So let me rename this one. So let me say test this one. All right, and click continue. So here this is the flow looks like. So let me open that specific duplicate we just made. So here you have instructions on how to use this one. So here it actually starts with this specific message: welcome to the spin wheel game, we have the discount, you have only 2 chances. And here they can actually click on this spin wheel, and it increase the spin wheel chance by 1 time and also generate a random number between 1 and 99. So if you want to reduce the discount coupon, for example 75, for example, that will generate a random discount coupon or discount between 1% and 75%. All right, and then it will check if the spin wheel is less than 2. That means they have two chances. So it will simply send them provide them the specific discount coupon they have won. So you have one random number percentage discount, and if they're happy and if they say yes happy, and we will actually collect their name, email address and phone number, and we will let them know. We will send the discount coupon through the email, and we also notify the admins that this person has won the specific discount coupon right there. All right, suppose if they want to try again, they can easily try again as well. And here if they say yes, I understand, I want to try again, it will send them right here as well. All right, so that's how this looks like over here. For example, let me modify this message, first message right here, so that we can actually use in the comments automation as well. The first message block should be a message with the button. So here we have the message block only, but we don't have any buttons for the user to interact with. So let me change this one. So here let me add this one right here, and here let me paste this one. All right, and let me add the button as well saying spin the wheel. All right, let me close this one, add the button right here. All right, add the button as well. So here delete this option and choose right here. All right, so now when they receive the message, they will receive the message, and if they spin the wheel, it will take them directly right here. But if they want to spin again, they will receive this message. All right, it looks good. So let me click on publish over here. All right, it has been published. So the flow name is test lucky draw spin wheel game for discount offers. So now let's set up the comments automation. So go to the flow, say marketing tools, and here Instagram comments automation, and create a new one, and let me say spin to win. All right, and here you can track on all post, private reply. You have to select the flow, which is test lucky draw, and public reply to comment. For example, let me say send your DM, or you can say DM sent, etc. And you can set up a specific keyword as well. For example, let me say, so here I set up the keyword as game. All right, so when they comment game, this particular automation will get triggered. And you can even set the delays if you want, but let me click on save over here. All right, it has been saved and it's active as well. So let's test how this actually works. So here let's test this through the Instagram comments automation. So let me open the flow as well, and let me share my phone screen as well. All right, so now it will simply work on any post or reels. So let me open a random post over here, and the keyword we set up was game. All right, so I just added the comment as game, and let's see what happens. So here it will simply say welcome to the spin wheel game, those kind of things. So it says welcome to the spin wheel game, you have a chance to win exciting discounts, spin the wheel and see what you will win. You have only 2 chances. Go ahead and spin the wheel by clicking the button below. All right, So let me click on spin wheel and it will simply work right here. So let's see what happens over here. So it says, congrats, you have won 27% discount on your next purchase. Are you happy with the discount or would you like to spin again? So in this case, let me say, no, let's try again. So I got 27 discount percentage. So let's see what happens when we try again. So it will say, you sure you will lose your existing 27% discount and this is your final chance. Do you still want to spin the wheel again? So let me say, yes, I understand. All right, it will get them back right there. All right, so let's see what happens over here. So here, go ahead and spin the wheel. So let me spin the wheel again. All right, so now let's see what sort of discount we are getting right here. So it says final spin. Let's see what you have won. So this time I got only 19% discount. So even though they have skipped the 27% before, this time they got only the 19%. So if they want to claim the discount, they can do that. It will simply collect their name, email address and phone number as well. So let's see what happens. So it will first ask for their name. All right. So let me provide a name right here and then an email address. So let me provide a random email address as well. All right. And let me provide a phone number as well. So it simply collect all these customer details over here. All right, so it will say we will send the discount coupon through the email and it will collect all the details and notify the admins as well. All right, so here it says we will send the discount coupon to your email address right there. So here, if you want to try again, so you cannot do that because you already tried 2 times. So now if I go to the profile, let me open a random post, add the keyword game and see what happens. So we will receive a message saying you have already won the specific discount coupon. So it says you have used all your spins. Thank you for you planning our spin wheel game. Stay tuned for more exciting offers and promotions in the future. Simple as that. So they can actually only enter one time and use those two times, 2 discount spin wheel chances. Once they have used it, they will receive this message right there as well. And if you want to add any sort of gifts for spin wheel effect, you can do that as well. For example, so here, if you want to add any sort of gifts, so here, so let me say spin wheel, and here you can add any sort of spin wheel gifts as well. Simple as that. So here you can also use that one, so it will shows up right there before you share the specific discount coupon with the specific customers as well. So that's also another idea. So here, if you go to the unified inbox, you can track all these conversation happens. So inbox, so this is from the Instagram, this is the customer name, and here you see all the chats happened right there, including their email address and the phone number as well. Simple as that. So if you have connected the SMS phone number from Twilio, you can even send them SMS right from the unified inbox as well. And from here also, agent can easily send messages to the customers Instagram right there as well, and even WhatsApp, since you have the phone number right here as well. You can use template messages for the WhatsApp as well. And that's a quick video on how you can easily grow sales with spin to win chatbot. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments. Thank you.